Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a low volume problem on your VIVO X300 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust media and the call volume in the settings. So what are we going to do is we're going to open up the settings app, and here we can click on sound and vibration. As you guys can see, we can only adjust media volume, and the call volume can only be adjusted while being on an active call with somebody. So here you can call up a random number for an example, and then you'll be able to change it by pressing the volume up button right here. So that's how you guys can adjust both of the volumes. We're gonna go back to sound and vibration and scroll down until we see do not disturb. Here we want to make sure that we disable do not disturb, because we all know that do not disturb mutes every single notification and call from somebody unless they call, let's say, twice. But we want to make sure that we disable it, because there was a glitch once where whenever you enable do not disturb, it not only muted your notifications but also made your volume a bit quieter. So we want to make sure that we disable it, and then we can easily test it. If it does not make any difference, you can turn it back on if you're a heavy D&D user. And what are we going to do next is we're going to clean the microphone port, not the microphone port but the headphone port, which is the charging port in this case, and the speaker grill, because we all know that low volume can also happen on the headphones, and there's no 3.5mm jack, so USB-C it is. We're gonna go over, and here at the top we have some speakers, so we can just brush them off. And after we brush them off, we're gonna make sure that we get ready for the bigger part right here. So we want to make sure that we clean the grill, and once we clean it, we can just get it off, and we can place our phone back. So that's how you guys can easily clean it. Now what are we going to do is, as a last resort, update our software to fix any audio glitches. So we're going to scroll down in the settings until we see system update. We're going to click on that, and it automatically checks for the latest system version. As you guys can see, I am already on the latest one, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important because we want to make sure that there are every single update's done, and after we update, we basically get rid of anything from our device, so it's definitely worth it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.